North Lanarkshire Disability Forum supports people to break down the barriers they face in their lives and in their communities. We use the principles of SDS to support people who don't have a budget. We start good conversations, tailor support and advice, and help make community connections. We work with people to find out what they need and want to achieve. Then we identify things in the community like social groups that can help meet their needs and outcomes. Always supported people to access the benefits they're entitled to, and helped people who wanted to access a budget by signposting to our advocacy partners. But now we offer online support too. Feel independent, better supported and less isolated.